Some new housing data out this morning, and Diana Olick joins us with the latest read on the mortgage market. Diana, what are you seeing?
Well, Becky, mortgage rates dropped again last week, and that finally lit a fire under borrowers looking to save a little cash. Applications to refinance a home loan jumped 6% last week from the previous week, that according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. But volume was still 85% lower than the same week a year ago, simply because there are so few borrowers who can actually benefit from a refi now. The average rate on the 30-year fix for loans with conforming loan balances dropped to 6.34% from 6.42%. That's for loans with 20% down. And apparently that was enough for some people to save some cash. So mortgage applications to buy a home, though, essentially flat, down 0.1% for the week and down 36% year over year. This is historically, of course, the slowest time of the year for housing. And while rates are lower than they were a month ago, they're still more than twice what they were a year ago. Now for the bad news. Rates started this week higher and then jumped 11 basis points yesterday after the Bank of Japan shocked global markets by changing its monetary policy. Rates are now close to 25 basis points higher than they were just last Thursday. Becky?
Ouch. Good news, bad news.
Ouch.
Yeah, giveth and taketh away. Diana, I would say, just anecdotally, a mortgage bank that I won't name that used to call me all the time and try and get me to refinance my mortgage called me a couple of times last week and tried to get me to take out a home equity line of credit. I guess things are getting tough out there. The people who used to be constantly doing these mortgage refinancings probably looking for new lines of business all over the place.
Exactly. And that's going to be the big line of business coming up this year because people simply have so much home equity right now that the banks are obviously, the lenders are looking for that as their next kind of cash cow because there's no refinance market. There are less than 200,000 people right now who can actually benefit from a refi, but there are millions of people who have enough home equity to take it out. So you're going to see a big push for that next year.